Hi guys, welcome to Easy Peasy Gardening. My name is Ruchi and today we are going to talk about nasturtium. So nasturtium is an annual flowering plant. It comes in orange, yellow, red color, It has those big round leaves which are like lily pads. So they look really beautiful and normally they don't like too much of hot weather. They like a little bit of cooler weather. They grow in a vine. You can just see them climbing on the trees or even on the trellis, or they'll be just trailing on your uh, uh, garden everywhere. So of course when they are blooming, uh, you want to just pinch off the spent flowers so that they don't seed and they keep blooming. But once the season is over, then you of course you want to save some seeds for the next season. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do that today. So if you look here, here are two hanging baskets in which we had these nasturtium plants, and as you saw just now that they were blooming really nicely. And now they are, because the summer is here, so they are almost dead. So if you look at this, so like for each flower, there are some seeds. These round things, these are the seeds here. There's light green right now here, like a couple of them, they are just lying in the soil. So they are ready to be picked. So you want to pick them and collect them for next season. So like this one is brown and it's already coming apart. So this is what you want to pick and you want to save it for the next season. These, these are too small. I mean, they're ready, but they don't look too healthy to me. So I don't want to save these ones. I want to save the big ones. Like this one, these are fine. See, they are all coming apart themselves. So that means they are ready to be plucked. So what you want to do is that you just want to pick these seeds. Even the green ones, what you can do is that you can pick them if you want and leave them in the shaded area. But best will be to leave them on the vine and let them dry themselves and pick them like this. And that's what you want to save for the next season. And when it is like fall, depending on where you live, because they like light winters or slightly colder weather. So depending on that, you just put them in your garden wherever you want them to grow, and they'll just grow. So there is always, one more thing I wanted to tell you, that there is always this confusion. Do you want to pinch off the spent flowers because then the seeds will not grow, or do you want to leave them there and so that the good seeds come out and then you save them? So yeah, it's a toss of what you want to do. So there are two strategies. One is that you can leave a couple of plants and don't pinch off the flowers for them, and you know that okay, these will have seeds and you will save them. And the other strategy is that you keep on pinching off the flowers, and towards the end you say okay, now you're not going to pinch off the flowers, and then the later flowers, they will grow into seeds, and that's what you collect. So you're going to collect these seeds and leave them out in the shaded area for a week, and then just store them away, and when the season comes you'll sow them, and you'll have beautiful nasturtiums for next year. So here are nasturtium seeds all collected and dried up, ready for the next season. So I'm just going to put them in a Ziploc and save it, and next fall I'll just plant them and they'll grow into nice colorful vines again. So I hope this video was informative for you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.